we'll be talking about this, the GT63S E-Performance. And now look at this, what an incredibly gorgeous interior we have here. Three, two, one. Wow. Hello guys, I am back today welcoming you all with this. Right in front of us we have one of the most powerful AMGs ever built. Right here we have the all new 2023 model Mercedes-AMG GT63S E-Performance. And today we are here at Hollmann International at their showrooms. And I will be showing you this special car by doing a full walk around of the exterior. Afterwards we will be filming the interior and then we will be finishing it all off with a sound check. First things first, we are here at Hollmann International showrooms. And all the cars you see in the background and this car in specific are for sale. So if you are interested, go check out their website in the description below. Anyways, let's stick back with the car we have here. This is the AMG GT63S E-Performance, the first hybrid AMG model. We have the V8 biturbo AMG engine producing 639 horsepower. Then in addition to that, for the first time ever, we have an F1 inspired hybrid technology, which is giving us another output of 204 horsepower, giving this car a total of 843 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful AMGs ever built. This car here is painted in sun yellow, if I'm not mistaken, and we have the night package and a lot of options. So let's get on and start with a tour of this V8 AMG hybrid. Talking about the front, it comes with the base of the facelifted GT 4-door, but there is not a lot of changes, so let me show you. The headlights are still the same as with the old one. We have some carbon details inside, multi-beam LEDs here. Then we have the new and upgraded V8 front, also with the intakes. They look a bit different when you compare it with the predecessor. The front lip, everything finished in black gloss. And then we also have the night package 2 on this car, giving us a dark chrome finish on the grille. You can compare it with the chrome we have on the Star and with the chrome we have on the grille. You can instantly see AMG badge over here. All in all, looking extremely nice. I really love the exterior paint of this. And as soon as you have sun coming on the car, it instantly changes the color and the look of it. Looking at the wheels, we have the Aero specific 21-inch AMG multi-spoke wheels with the carbon ceramic brakes finished in golden, and this looks absolutely nice, especially with the sun coming on. The brake calipers here, 275/35 ZR21 size here. V8 biturbo E-Performance badge on the side, also finished in this darkish chrome. Side mirror finished in black gloss. Everything here also full finished in black gloss, as we have the night package. In the rear we have again 21 inches sitting on the Pilot Sport 4S. Very nice wheel option here, full finished in black, carbon ceramic brakes. And now we will be talking about the rear of this car, guys. And just look at the view. Wow. Which car would you take? You have 3 seconds to choose one. I really cannot decide. Anyways, we'll be talking about this, the GT63S E-Performance. And as soon as you look onto the rear, you can instantly see that this is a hybrid model. Not only by the charger port we have over here, which is super ugly, to be honest, the way they did it. You have an AC charger port here. It's really destroys the entire symmetry of the car. But please keep in mind, this car was never developed to be in hybrid. This was literally the only place they could put it. GT63S badge will be always finished in this red lettering, showing that this is the hybrid version. The AMG and the Star is full finished in this black chrome. And as we have the night package, also the exhaust tips, everything is finished in black gloss. And also the rear, we have the aero parts here. Really cool. In addition with the wing here, really lovely full black gloss finish. And what you could possibly do is charge the car over here and fill up the V8 over here, which you have to unlock in the inside. Let me just close this again. And now let's have a look in the inside of this GT63S E-Performance. And now look at this. What an incredibly gorgeous interior we have here, coming with the GT63S E-Performance. There are a few changes which I have to point out within a second, but let me just show you the entrance board here, AMG floor mats, AMG, and then we have the carbon fiber in the inside with all the details, looking really cool as an option, with the Burmester speaker covers as well. Lovely. Now let's just take a seat inside the GT63S E-Performance. And here we are inside. First things first, we have to change it to the AMG Performance menu. This looks so much better, finally. In the inside, we have been greeted by the beautiful ambient colors. Here with the blue, you can also change the colors. We have 64 different colors to choose from. I also love the red and pink color a lot, but my favorite is the blue, which is right down here. It's the best one. Over here we have the center console with all the buttons, the V8 shape, and here you can change the driving modes, for example, as you see. And we have the race mode, Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Electric mode. Also we have individual, slippery, and yeah, that's it. On this you can set if you want to drive manual, automatic, the suspension, ESP, and the sound. This is the new sound button. Back in the day we used to have the exhaust button here, but now this is the sound that sums it all up. We have first the sound in the inside coming with speakers from the electric drive, and then we have the second sound, which is from the exhaust, as we still have the V8. I just really don't like the look. I wish we had the exhaust buttons. And since we have the solid spoiler, we can't move it up or down. If we had that, we would have the spoiler up and down button right over here. The steering wheel, flat bottom. Yeah, new AMG steering wheel, which I'm not the biggest fan. And then we have the steering wheel buttons here, where you can also change the driving modes. How do you guys like the steering wheel on the GT63S E-Performance? Leave it in the comment section below. We have the race seats here, AMG, really beautiful. We have the AMG Crest here, AMG emblem over here. Full leather finish with the yellow details. Even the seatbelts are finished in yellow, which I really love. We have the panorama sunroof. And then the inside, we have only 4 seats, since we have this mid unit here with the display. So now let's start it up, guys. I'm just moving the window down, and then we will be starting up this V8 beast. Okay, with an emotion start. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Now listen to this. The engine is not warm yet, therefore I will be just... Okay. It's not as loud as the old one, the non-hybrid one. But it's still, you can hear the V8 rumble. How do you like the sound? Let's just jump outside and to listen to the sound from the outside. Okay, now it's time to listen up to the sound of the GT63 SE. Let's go. Okay. Crazy sound, guys. This is even louder than the press cars we even had. How do you like this sound? Rate it from 1 to 10 in the comment section below. So that's it basically for today's video, guys. How do you like this spec, the sun yellow GT63S E-Performance, the hybrid V8 AMG with plus 800 horsepower? Rate this spec from 1 to 10 in the comment section below. Would you rather go for the hybrid version with plus 800 horsepower or for the normal V8 one with 639 horsepower? Leave that in the comment section below. At this point, if you're interested in buying this car, it's up for sale right now at Hallman International. Hit them up. I will be putting their infos in the description below. They have a lot of cars on stock, literally the biggest supercar and hypercar collection in Europe, so go and check that out. I'm already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.